A diabetic foot ulcer is an open sore or wound that occurs in patients with diabetes. Diabetic foot ulcer is commonly located on the bottom of the foot. Certified wound specialist and registered nurse Natoya Wade says oftentimes when diabetics have a foot ulcer, they will see a blister on the foot, a reddened area, and burning.
Now, when you have diabetic foot ulcers, you may end up with something called diabetic neuropathy, where the nerves leading down the feet, they're actually damaged. And those nerves are responsible for the sensation and the pain. So if you're wearing a tight shoe, you won't be able to feel that the shoe is actually rubbing on your foot. So you'll end up getting a blister, and this can progress into an ulcer.
Diabetic foot ulcer can lead to complications. Mrs. Wade says up to 50% of persons with diabetes will have an amputation if it's not treated early. However, most times it can be quite difficult to treat diabetic foot ulcer.
These wounds can be quite challenging to heal. Some persons tend to have these wounds for up to 12 years or more, and the longer you have the wound, the harder it is to heal.
Therefore, it is very important for diabetics to seek early medical intervention once they start seeing signs of an ulcer. Taking the necessary precautions such as keeping blood glucose levels under control, eat a healthy diet, exercise, and taking pressure off the area, also known as offloading, are important.
We want to make sure that the shoes are comfortable. You have a wide foot box, so the front of the shoe should not be narrow, so it should be very wide to accommodate the toes, and the shoes should be fitted properly. So it should not be squeezing at no point in time, because you don't want to exert any pressure on the foot itself.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report.